Users customize their Windows 11 computer according to their preferences, including the taskbar position for quick application access and time display. However, for more screen space, the taskbar can be hidden through the computer settings, which can be undone if needed. Now keep watching on this video to learn how to toggle the taskbar visibility. So to start, right-click on the taskbar and click on the taskbar settings. Then click the taskbar behaviors option, and you will see various options in the next window. Now you have to check the box for the option automatically hide the taskbar. So now when you need to make the taskbar appear, simply place a cursor where the taskbar should be. And when you move the cursor away, the taskbar will hide. However, if the taskbar does not hide despite following the steps, there are a few possible reasons. First, check if there are any pending notifications that require your attention. Do it by clicking on the far right of the taskbar that allows you to view them, and the taskbar won't hide until you address them. Next, open application may also prevent the taskbar from hiding. You have to close them one by one to identify the problematic app. But all in all, that's how to automatically hide the taskbar in a Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.